How to change video speed on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to change the video speed on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to change the video speed of. After you open it, select the part that you want to increase or decrease the speed of. Once you click on it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this speed. Click on it. Now tap on normal. After you click on normal, if you want to make the video speed slower, drag it to the left side. Or if you want to make the video speed faster, drag it to the right side. Once it feels right, tap on check mark. And that's it guys, that's how you can change the speed of the video. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.